Dual action or DA polishers are very popular amongst detailers. The random orbit motion allows for a faster result with a reduced risk of burning or creating swirls. The LC Originals Cutback DA line of foam pads was designed to work with a variety of tools, including a traditional DA, forced rotation DA, and smaller 3-inch DA polishers. The pad line is a great example of how the Lake Country team continues to grow and adapt our product line to meet the needs of the ever-changing detailing industry. As new tools are introduced, we've added a new premium LC pad line to allow for top performance.
The LC Originals Cutback DA pads have a unique shape to maximize performance and accuracy when polishing. The Cutback DA pads also are shaped to have the loop or backing smaller, offering protection and allowing for easily centering the backing plate. Our extensive Cutback DA line includes pads that are 7/8 inch and 1.25 inch thick for a variety of tools and applications. They're also available in CCS technology and flat foam versions. The pads are available in multiple sizes, including 6.5 inch and 5.5 inch for forced rotation polishers, 4 inch for traditional DAs, and 3.5 inch for mini long toe tools. Cutback DA pads use hook and loop attachment and work with 3 inch, 3.5 inch, 5 inch, and 6 inch DA backing plates. Cutback DA pads are available in a variety of aggressions to tackle all detailing stages, from cutting to heavy polishing and even final finishing.
Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.